How do you change the country of the App Store? Let's go. I'll show you how, everyone. On your iPhone, tap on the settings option and you'll come to this page. Here, tap on your name at the top. Go ahead and tap it. Now scroll down a bit, tap on the media and purchases option and then tap on view account. Now you can change the country of your App Store here. Notice that here it shows the country or region. Right now it's Brazil. I can tap here. Here I can select the country I want to change to in the App Store. For example, if I want the United States, I can search for it at the top by tapping the magnifying glass. I'll search and the United States already appears here. I can tap on the country I want. Here, they'll give you some important notifications. Why? Because in some countries, certain apps don't work. They end up disappearing. Also remember that there may be a change in the price of any active subscriptions you have. In this case here, when you change the country or region, any subscription you have there will be cancelled, okay? Some apps may not be available for the country or region you choose. If you really want to change the country, you click here on the continue option. You'll be taken to the terms of service. You can send these terms to your email, but you don't have to if you don't want to. There are 19 pages, okay? If you want to read them, you can go all the way to the end and click here to change pages. If you don't want to, just click agree. And then you'll come to this personal page where you will a payment method from the country you chose. You can add a card, you can add PayPal, or you can click here on this option, none, okay? You can select this option and click here on done. I don't want to change the App Store country, okay? But you can do this. You can also fill in the address information here, okay? It's optional, but the street is required. You'll have to enter it. Anyway, you can fill in all the information here to make the change, alright? If I helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.